Many years ago, in a land far, far away, Bert Riley was about to play for the very first time in front of a very big crowd.
Ready? Ready.
Ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Just as they were going to play, Smokey found himself in a pinch.
Ayo, we can't find my drumsticks.
Your drumsticks? How are you gonna play without them, man?
I don't know, I was so excited I didn't notice they weren't in my hands.
Smokey, come on. What? Did you smoke too much of that herb again?
Ah, man. Well,
So once again, Riley had to get Smokey's back. Where did Smokey put his drumsticks?
Hey, Smokey's drumsticks. He'll need them to play. Got him.
Did you notice that? The action verb changed when you looked at the drumsticks. If you want to change actions yourself, just right-click when your cursor is hovering over something.
What this, man? A bell? I guess it's Jamas. He is very protective of it. Hey, brethren, mind if I take this?
No, man. I'm using it.
That's Jamar. He looks a little nervous. Hope he'll be all right. Ready to start?
Yeah, well... yeah. Well, as soon as Smokey is ready.
Smokey's drums.
no, man, you found.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah, man. Ready? Ready. Okay.
Oh, wait, guys, wait.
Come on.
I can't play right now.
Looks like another op. Both should talk to Jamar and...
Hey, Jamar.
I'll be fine after this.
How much herb did you and Smokey have before the... Hey,
Man,
So Riley...
don't worry, Jamar. Every little thing is gonna be...
But Jamar...
but...
You'll just look at me.
But what if I...
We've got...
but what if I don't play?
Hey, you're a great...
You're right, man. Thanks.
Jamar didn't need too much.
Let's try this.
I'm
Ready?
Okay. Oh, no.
Seems like... Okay. Perhaps you can...
Me mic. Yeah.
Smoke.
Eh, this won't do. You gotta.
Hey, brethren. Do you have anything that...
No.
Let me check it out. What this? He is very... Hey, I really need the gum.
fine, but let me get my stash of...
Thanks. Jamaz, he uses the club.
Try.
It barely held to get...
There really is. Wow. I love. Speak. Let's try. You can combine items.
Apart, maybe I just the gum.
You are. We have all. Get the money.
That's an. This should take care of it. Nice. Okay,
Ready?
Ready.
okay.
Bolt was so busy. He'd lost. Bolt really had to be.
Me ma-
He'd. Bolt.
me ma-
Bolt was. He'd. Bolt. Bolt looked straight into the light. Now he can.
me ma-
Bolt was so. He'd. But Bolt. Filled with inspiration, Bolt Riley wailed into the microphone. The band gave a hell of a show as they played Happily Ever After. We could have ended our story here. But no, our story begins a little bit further into the past. Bolt Riley was a young teenager living in the slums of Trenchtown. He spent his days being a rude boy and up to no good. One day, during a seemingly friendly game of football, Bolt found himself in a little bit of trouble.
the Monday.
Do you think me dumb? Do you think I not see you, Rasta? You cheated! That goal does not count.
Yo, man.
Don't you tell me what to...
No, you.
A dirty...
Man, why would you say?
It's too late.
Listen, brother, wait. Demand. Just wait.
What for?
Listen, me have.
I did not ask you for a...
Listen.
No!
Say what?
This is a special day.
You want me to?
Yes, just
No, I don't.
you better not.
But
No.
our old house used to look. Look at that. That's a whole. Oh, look at there's according to the 700 and no idea. An old name, useful when look. I'm sure some of these, but that cat. Hey, Juma. Man,
Hey, stop wait. Go get.
Sorry.
maybe even he's and does whatever demand they say. I suppose it's how. Why do you all?
Well,
Hey, stop. Go get me.
it looks like you're on your.
Who him I is also. Hey,
Yo, hey, how's it?
we should go and get that radio before demand.
You're right. Let's take whatever we need.
This sign points. One of them points. I wish I could go and just relax. The other way. Hey man, look. Maybe I can. Hey. Hey, why do we keep up with this?
Don't know.
Hey, stop wait. Go.
Sorry.
How did you?
Well,
Hey,
it looks like.
For now, but one day they. There's not much. It's very. Come on, man. The radio plus, you might say. And Ty took this. That's. He's me. He's all. Man. Smokey. Man.
Maybe we find another way to.
Me gonna go and try.
Good luck, man.
The wind makes. The wind. The fruits on. Looks really. These lights are how. don't want to. I should throw this. At least eat. Maybe I can I already have. One is plenty. Me really not that. That's the. I should look and see what's going on.
As Bolt approached the broke, he felt a slight.
Oh,
Bolt did not yet know the.
I should peek in.
Yo, what you? We're trying, bad boy. Go.
I couldn't see anything before. I should find a way. Let me tie. I can't do that if. I should probably finish with us. I've hung. The wind.
Bolt was about, but then.
It's Smokey. Look how the branches just grew straight through. Haha, nature is. They are too high. They also look a little. Plus, I don't. I should inspire.
Feel. Bolt decided a thing.
Smoke, let me teach you a thing or two.
Thanks, man. Oh, that's real.
It after. Bolt was usual.
I feel a lot.
I've hung the rope on the hook and tied. The fruits. I already have one is mirror. These lights. How in. I can't do that. I should probably finish with a start. Nah. It's the sun make. Who would want? I should try at least eat. There's not. It's very. Come on, ma. The rate plus you might entire. I shouldn't. Will you? Come on. Come on. Nah. Demand.
Are you go give? Yo, want me that?
No. Hey, sorry. I'm going. I should peek it. Wow, he must be a war veteran. That fan, I wonder why they just don't. The fan is.
I suppose that's...
Bolt Riley was actually not. Bolt recognized the young.
That girl, old man Chris.
Telma was enjoying the afternoon reggae music.
Smokey actually. No, I've seen her.
It was a good thing the radio.
Probably. Hey, there's a hole in it, and it looks like it goes all the.
Maybe we can use...
Just what.
But we can't let...
You're right. We should just. Ah, dear. That's. I can't just. There was. There must be another. Yes, I think.
Bolt.
If we probably.
But how do...
I'm glad. I don't.
Hey, man.
I guess sometimes. This hole goes right on with the radio. How? That's he's a man. Smokey, man.
What do you need?
Hey, you know.
Did you try to talk to her? So go knock.
Me gonna.
Good luck, man.
This hole goes right with the radio. How? Oh, Madaras, man. As long I should distract. That's the. Instead of maybe I can talk.
Yes?
Hey,
I don't.
Say what?
You look. Yes,
Hey!
I. Yes,
Your mama sent me. She needs you to return.
my mother.
This goes right with the rate. How? Oh, Mother Ross, I should. The rate along. I should inspire. I should inspire. Nah. Nah. That's he's man. Smokey,
Yeah,
man.
what do you need?
I still need.
Did you try to talk?
Well,
Maybe try something. So,
man.
do you
I
need?
still.
did you
Well,
maybe try? So,
me.
good luck, man.
Yes,
Hey,
I don't. Yes,
hey,
I don't remember you. Yes,
hey.
can you not? Yes,
Hey,
what your plan?
it's
No,
wait.
what?
Hey, hi.
Is not.
Wait.
What?
Wow.
We are.
Wait.
What? I don't.
Wait.
What?
Ah.
Not a.
I guess there's nothing else I can. Maybe I need to try. Smokey,
Yeah,
man.
what do you need?
I still need.
Did you try to?
Well,
Maybe try.
ah.
Do you want me to try?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Hey, beautiful.
Listen, bad boy.
Yo.
Me just.
Guys,
That's so.
I like your hair.
Me take.
You got Delma.
Oh,
Looks like she's rich. Now is my chance. This goes right with the red. How?
yo! What the hell?
Me sorry.
It look like you.
I wasn't.
How do you explain
I was actually
the reggae music?
Bolt, I have to tell her the full story.
He's the one who sent us to get the.
Bolt told me he was actually trying to find another way in.
Hold on. What did you say about something being
Them
Oh,
me love
We got an idea.
like helping us?
grandpa half dead.
Looks like I will have to figure out who stole your bicycle. I should inspect.